How to get rid of cough with ginger. Cough is very frustrating and terribly uncomfortable both physically and emotionally. There are two types of cough, dry and wet cough. Dry cough is caused by allergens, dust and other irritants. Wet cough is caused when mucus or phlegm is developed in the throat. Viral infection, cold, smoking, asthma, lung cancer, tuberculosis and dust are some of the reasons behind the trigger. Congestion, persistent cough, itchy throat, pain, and congestion are some of the common symptoms of cough. Commonly, everyone reaches out for over-the-counter cough syrups or tablets to treat cough. But do you know simple home remedies can provide the same effect as well? Yes, it's true. A simple and easily available ingredient like ginger can show the same effect as commercial syrup. Is ginger really effective for cough? Ginger contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties which kills the bacteria. It helps to loosen the congestion developed in the respiratory passages. The gingerol and xanibrin present it boost your immune system. It coats the esophagus to prevent itchiness and irritation. It soothes the throat and reduces the reflex that develops urge to cough. How to use ginger for cough. Choose of the remedies and try them to treat the persistent cough. Make sure not to drink water for 30 minutes after trying the remedy. This gives ginger enough amount of time to act on the cough. 1. Ginger. Chew some fresh and raw ginger pieces. Repeat 3 to 4 times a day. 2. Ginger tea. Grate 1-inch ginger. Bring a cup of water to boil and add grated ginger to it. Simmer for 5 minutes and remove from the flame. Let the mixture cool down until lukewarm. Squeeze lemon juice and consume it. Repeat 2 times a day. 3. Ginger with peppermint. To 4 cups of water, add 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint. Bring this mixture to boil and simmer until the liquid reduces to half. Remove from the flame and let it cool down to room temperature. Stir in a cup of honey and stir well. Store in an airtight container and refrigerate. Take 1 tablespoon of the solution in every 4 hours to ease the cough. The solution stays good for 3 weeks. 4. Ginger with apple cider vinegar and cayenne pepper. Combine 1/4 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper and ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon honey. Drink this syrup 3 times a day. For added benefits, 1/4 teaspoon ground garlic. 5. Ginger with Tulsi. Using a mortar and pestle, crush 10 to 15 Tulsi leaves. Grate and extract juice from 1-inch ginger. Mix crushed Tulsi leaves, ginger juice and honey. Consume 1 teaspoon of this mixture 3 times a day. 6. Ginger with black pepper. Grate and extract juice from 1-inch ginger. Combine ginger juice, a pinch each of pepper powder and turmeric and honey. Mix well and lick the mixture slowly for 10 minutes. Repeat 3 times a day. 7. Ginger with honey. Honey soothes the respiratory tract and fights off the bacteria causing cough. Extract juice from 1-inch root ginger. Combine ginger juice and 1 teaspoon honey. Consume this daily 3 times. Note: don't drink water for 30 minutes after consuming this mixture. 8. Ginger with thyme. Thyme treats respiratory infections, boosts immune systems and provides relief from cough. Slice a lemon into thin slices. Place the sliced lemons in a mason jar. Pour 3/4 cup honey into it and set aside. In a saucepan, add 2 cups water, handful thyme and sliced ginger, 1 inch. Bring the mixture to boil and simmer until it reduces to half of the quantity. Remove from the flame and let it cool down. Strain the juice into the jar with honey and lemons. Stir well and store in refrigerator for 3 weeks. Consume a tablespoon 3 times a day. 9. Ginger with onion and garlic. Peel and slice garlic, ginger and onion as thinly as possible. Layer the slices about 1 inch thick on the bottom of a mason jar. Pour dehydrated cane juice until the slices are not visible. Add another layer of the slices and add dehydrated cane juice. Repeat the process until the jar is almost full. Close the lid tightly and set aside for 4 hours. This mixture can be refrigerated and stored up to 4 months. Consume 1 tablespoon of the mixture 3 times a day whenever you want to soothe the throat and reduce the cough. 10. Ginger with pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, natural anti-inflammatory, which is proven to control cough and mucus. Roughly chop pineapple including the core. Using a blender, blend the chopped pineapple, chopped ginger, 2 inches, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper and juice of 1 lemon. Strain the mixture to obtain fine syrup. Take 1 tablespoon of the mixture 3 times a day. Store the remaining mixture in refrigerator for future use. It stays up to a week. 11. Ginger ale. Peel and chop ginger into julienne. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water, 1 1/2 cup ginger julienne and 3/4 cup of sugar. Bring the mixture to boil and simmer until the liquid is reduced to half. Remove from the heat and let it cool down. Refrigerate the mixture. Whenever you are ready to use, strain the mixture into a 12-ounce glass jar. Top off the jar with sparkling water and squeeze lemon juice. Repeat daily. 12. Ginger cough drops with clove. In a saucepan, add 1/2 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice and 1 cup evaporated cane juice, or granulated sugar. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the flame and let the mixture cool down slightly. Meanwhile, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with a parchment paper. Drop onto baking sheet into small rounds. Allow them to cool and remove and dust them with powdered sugar or cornstarch. Place them in an airtight container to store them. Take one in the morning and another at night to get relief from cough. 13. Ginger with salt. Cut 1/2 inch ginger into julienne and add salt to it. Chew this mixture 2 times a day. 14. Herbal tea with ginger. To a saucepan, add 1/2 inch ginger, 5 peppercorns, 1 small green cardamom, 1 small piece cinnamon stick and a glass of water. Bring this mixture to boil and simmer until the liquid reduces to half. Remove from the flame and strain. Let it cool down slightly and add 1 teaspoon honey. Stir well and drink it. 15. Ginger powder with jaggery and turmeric. In a saucepan, add 1 cup jaggery and let it melt down. Now add 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 tablespoon clarified butter, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Cook until you see bubbles coming out of the mixture. Remove from the flame and let it cool down. Make small balls out of the mixture and store in an airtight container. It stays edible until 10 days. For adults, take 3 balls a day. For kids 2 balls a day. 16. Ginger with lemongrass oil. In a saucepan, add 600 milliliters of water and bring it to boil. Finely chop 3 big lemongrass buds and add it to boiling water. Now chop a 2 inches ginger root and add it to boiling water. Simmer for 10 minutes and remove from the flame. Let it steep for 30 minutes. Strain the mixture, add 1 teaspoon honey and drink it. Repeat 2 times a day. 17. Ginger oil. Massage few drops of ginger oil on chest to get relief from cough. It is best to massage before going to bed to have a peaceful sleep. Tips and precautions. Avoid ginger if you are allergic to it. Gargle with salt water to get relief from the irritation caused by mucus and to prevent further infection. Avoid cold water and drink lukewarm water. If cough is persistent even if you tried above remedies, consult a doctor. Drink soups to feel better. Consume lots of liquids. Keep yourself warm during the winters. Add ginger in your daily diet to strengthen the immune system.